Hello, good day everyone. It's Saturday today. Uh, we are here in Camp Allen. I'm gonna walk, going to the grocery, going to Middle Quarry, and going back here. We're gonna visit Mama also. We're gonna buy a little Jollibee for my mama. So let's go. Okay, we are here in Camp Allen. We're gonna walk going to that mountain, Middle Quarry, but we're gonna pass by the grocery here first. So we're already here. Upper market going to Baguio City Market. Linigo. So again, we are here in Baguio City Market. We are already here. We're going to Sunshine Grocery. We're just gonna withdraw money first. Then Junior. Okay, we are already here in Burnham Park. We're gonna walk going to Middle Quarry. I don't really drive when I'm alone. Only when I'm with my family, I walk a lot. So here, we're going to Middle Quarry. Okay, we are now leaving Burnham Park. We're going to Kisad. We will walk going to Middle Quarry. here. It's a nice sunny day. That's Baguio Orchidarium. We're already here. This is the road. We're gonna be going up the Garda Road. So, let's go. Gilligan's Restaurant. The plants, beautiful plants. I'm just gonna go to Jollibee. I'll buy Mama some food. This is Jollibee Legarda. Okay. That's Gilligan's Island. Okay, we're gonna pass here. City Camp Alley. Shortcut going to Middle Quarry. So I have a bag full of a little bit of groceries and my son's milk and our surprise for my mama, Jollibee tuna pie and burger. We're halfway there. We are already here in City Camp. Going to Middle Quarry and then we will go back again to Camp Allen where it's a little hut. That's the alternative route to Legarda Road. Okay, we're going here. We are already in City Camp. There's this like the biggest canal. That's going to QM. This is going to Middle Quarry, so we're gonna go here. Very nice warm walk. It's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Beer below zeros na pack up. They gave me this. I really like the beer below zero. Only available in Camp John Hay. BBC at the front yard. Camp John Hay. Okay, we are already here in Lower Quarry. Okay, as always, we're gonna pass by this shortcut. There, we're going up there. Okay, we are here again. This is my usual way, shortcut. Okay, we came from that mountain. We went to the grocery and we are here. This climb is quite tiring. Okay, we are already here. Middle Rock Quarry. Get tired. Okay, and we arrived. This is our house in Middle Quarry. So we're here. Home. I came from there and I walked. I always walk every day, so we're gonna go back later again there. Hello everyone, it's me, Louis Corpuz. So we just came from Camp Allen. We went to the grocery. We went here in Quarry. So let's go back to Camp Allen with our little bit of grocery. Bear Brand Jr. And wait. Hintoy ma. And my low pro backpack full of grocery. So we will walk again. We are here in Middle Quarry. We will be going there to that mountain right there with the two towers. You probably know. So let's go. The prices of gasoline is getting higher and higher because of the war. So I hope everyone will do okay. All of us. More blessings to all of us. So here's my mama. My very supportive mama. Love you so much, ma. Thanks for everything. So I'm gonna go. Let's go. Okay. We're leaving Middle Quarry. We're gonna go to Camp Allen. Bye-bye, ma. This is still Middle Quarry. So here we go again. We're going down again here. From Middle Quarry to Lower Quarry. So we are here in Lower Quarry. It's all gonna be uphill from here. Okay, I saw a barbecue place here opened a while ago, so let's try and buy. Let's go. So this is now City Camp. We came from there. Wow. Isaw. A barbecue. Okay, we are already here in Legarda. We're going back home to Camp Allen. Okay, we are already here in Camp Allen. It's another uphill climb for us. before we reach home. I also bought pandesal. That's Santo Niño Chapel. We're halfway there. It's another climb again. Look at these very, very old trees. So big. Okay, that's it for now. See you again in another of my walking videos. More blessings to all of us.